Welcome to our channel. Setting up a VPN on your smart TV allows you to access geo-restricted content and enhance your privacy. Follow this simple method to configure VPN protection. Step 1. Check if your smart TV has a built-in VPN app in its App Store. Some newer models support VPN apps directly. Step 2. If no native VPN app is available, you'll need to configure VPN on your router. Access your router's admin panel by typing its IP address into a web browser. Step 3. Log into your router using admin credentials. If you haven't changed them, check the router's label for default credentials. Step 4. Navigate to the VPN section in your router settings. The exact location varies by router manufacturer. Step 5. Enter your VPN provider's server information, including server address, username, and password provided by your VPN service. Step 6. Save the VPN configuration and enable the VPN connection on your router. Step 7. Restart your smart TV to ensure it connects through the VPN-enabled router. Step 8. Verify the VPN connection by checking your IP address on your smart TV browser or testing access to geo-restricted content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.